Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back everybody. Let's get this show on the road. You know what time it is. It's shoe time. Got a little bit of this box action. Let's focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 136 Nitro Citron Pulse in black, aka the Taco J's. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action. I think this is my second or third pair of Jordan 36s. See, they have the air zoom unit. Nothing spectacular so far. You guys can see the most spectacular thing about this box says Taco J. Little Velcro. Taco at the top. Taco paper for the shoes. Nike swoosh on the taco with the Jumpman. I hope they don't have too much paper. It's my first time opening. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. But, keep this stuff. Don't destroy your papers, guys. I usually destroy all my paper. Not a bad shoe. Let's get this up here for you guys. Get this light up. Oh, materials seem to be standard Jordan 36 materials. Nice bright colorway. Great taco on the tongue. This standard Jordan 36, just in a out there colorway. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. I think I pretty much enjoy it. That's why I got this pair. As soon as I seen this pair on the internet, I said I had to get a pair of the Taco J's. If you guys seen my Jordan 35 videos, do not take this tab off even when you store your shoes, or this little back piece will fall off your shoe if you put it in the box wrong. I just say just leave it on, man. This is all some type of suede or nubuck material. Netting in the front of the shoe is just an out there fantastic shoe, guys. Do not let these sit if you're into getting Jordan 36s. This is one of the best Jordan 36s I've seen so far. You guys look at this tongue. That's the Taco J logo. The tongue is like a suede leather hybrid. Feels pretty good, guys. Everything about this shoe seems pretty decent. The green accents down here. The little zoom units. Quality control on this shoe isn't so bad. I might look into a couple more 36s now. You guys a little zoom up on the back. Like I said, I'm not taking that tag off because I'm going to put these right back into the box. All in all, in my opinion, not a bad shoe. Like I said, if you can match this shoe, it's a pretty good one. Translucent zoom unit. Very, very good shoe. Alright, let me give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's going to be on your foot. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!